Hello, everyone. Today we will guide you through the process of reviewing and validating profiles in your company management platform. Firstly, when you arrive at a consultant account, you notice that the system will automatically detect and flag any issues based on the company's guidelines. You can view these by clicking Show, which will take you directly to the section that needs attention. For example, if the CV summary is too short, you'll be prompted to expand it. You may edit this section manually, create your own prompt, or use the standard prompt defined by your company. The AI assistant will then generate a revised summary based on your experience and CV content. After editing, click Save. To the left of the dashboard, you will find your personal profile section. Click the pencil icon to edit these fields. You do not need to complete the role, area, service line, practice, or location fields as they are updated weekly via the company's HR tools. Review your education details by clicking the pencil icon. Ensure that the institution names, course titles, and dates are correct. You can also upload your diplomas in PDF or Word format. Furthermore, you can create a new education by clicking Add Education and filling the information yourself. Do the same for certifications. Check the dates and issuing institutions and upload your certificates where available. You can also add a new certification or training by clicking Add Training. Under Professional Experience, verify all details of your past roles. Each entry includes a general description and a section for tasks and responsibilities. You may rewrite these manually, create a custom prompt, or use the company's standard prompt with the AI assistant. Each role also includes a technology stack. You can add or remove individual skills or add multiple skills at once. If you change the stack, you should regenerate the summary and responsibilities using the AI assistant to reflect the updated technologies. Repeat this process for each professional experience. Once a section has been reviewed, it will collapse indicating that it is complete. To add a new experience, click Add Experience, enter the required information, and optionally use the Auto Detect feature to identify relevant technologies for the tech stack. After completing your review and resolving all warnings, click Validate Profile. This notifies your manager that your profile has been reviewed and is ready. Thank you for following this onboarding guide. If you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us.